Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to solve question number 1 from the exercise 4C in the book D1. The question states simplify each of the following expressions, and basically this question has 4 parts and we have to solve these parts. We are going to solve them one by one. The first part, in first part we have the question 1 over 4x plus 1 over 5y minus 1 over 6x minus 1 over 10y. So first of all we have to multiply this x with the numerator because it will multiply with the numerator. So x is multiplied with the 1 and the answer is x. Similarly y ones are y, x ones are x, and y ones are y. So we just multiply the number which is present next to the fraction, or we can say we multiply the fraction with the variable and we get this answer in first step. In second step we have to arrange the like variables like x over 4, then we have to write minus x over 6. Similarly y over 5 and then y over 10. So we have to group the same variables accordingly because we cannot solve x over 4 fraction with the y over 5 fraction. This x over 4 can be added or subtracted from x over 6. Similarly y over 5 can be solved with y over 10. So therefore we arrange them, and after arranging next we have to take the LCM of the 4 and 6 like we solve any other fraction. So the LCM is 12 and then 12 is divided by this 4, answer is 3, and 3 is multiplied by the numerator and we get 3x. Similarly 12 is divided by 6, the answer is 2, so the answer is multiplied with the numerator, so 2 into x is 2x, and minus sign which was present between these two fractions. Similarly on the other side we again take the LCM of 5 and 10, that is 10. 10 is divided by 5 and the answer is 2, so 2y minus, then 10 is divided by again 10, answer is 1, so y ones are y. And after doing that we have to add or subtract, so plus minus is minus and we have to subtract 2 from 3, answer is x. Similarly plus minus is minus and we have to subtract y from 2y, the answer is y. So in this way we simplify the given fractions carrying variable. Now moving towards the B part. In B part there is a little bit difference, and please be attentive and keep connected to this video till the end. You can see 2 over 3a minus 1 over 7b plus 2a minus 3 over 5b. So one of the number is not in the fraction form, that is 2 over a, and we know if we want to solve them we have to take the LCM, and that can be taken if it is in fraction form. So we write 2a over 1, and then in the next step we arranged it, we grouped it, like we know that some of the fractions carry a like these two and the other carry the b variable. So we group the a variables and we group the b variables, and in between them is the minus sign. So we take LCM of 3 and the answer is 3, and 3 is divided by this 3 to get 2a, and then this plus 3 is divided by 1, the answer is 3, and this 3 is multiplied by 2 and the answer is 6a. Similarly on the other side we solve the same thing, but what we have changed is this negative sign multiplied by this negative, so negative is plus. So this is the change, and then we add 6a plus 2a, we get 8a, and here we get 21 plus 5b 26b, and because both of them were positive, so we have to write it as positive 26. So you can see that this question is solved. The negative sign is remained as such, and this plus plus is plus, so 21 we have add 5 in 21 and we get 26b over 35. So this is the answer of this question. Now in C part we are given with this question in which again there are two types of variable. The one is C and the other is D. So first step, multiply the numerator with the variable. So 5 multiplied by C, the answer is 5C. 3 multiplied by D, the answer is 3D. 7 multiplied by C, the answer is 7C, and 4 multiplied by D, the answer is 4D. Then the next step is grouping. So we group the C types and the D type of fractions, and once we did it, we have to take the LCM. 9 into 8 is 72, and 72 is divided by 9, we get 8, and 8 fives are 40C. Then this negative sign, and next 72 is divided by 8, the answer is 9, and 9 sevens are 63. On the other side, 4 threes are 12, so 12 is the LCM, and 12 is divided by 4, the answer is 3, and 3 threes are 90. Negative sign, 12 divided by 3, 4, the answer is 4, and 4 fours are 16D. Next step is to add or subtract them. So plus minus is minus, so we subtract 40 from 63. Negative sign, because we are subtracting the smaller number from the bigger one, and on the other side again plus minus is minus, and we have to subtract 9 from 16, so again here minus 70 over 12. In D part we are given with a little bit more longer question, and in this question there are three types of variable. One is f, h, and k. So first step is multiplying and changing the numbers into fraction form, like 2f is written as 2f over 1 minus f over 2. F1s are f and then 2, and then 5h over 4, and this negative 5h over 3, then plus 9k over 4, and then this negative 28k over 5. So I multiplied as well as grouped them. So you can do both thing in one step, or you can do it in stepwise fashion. Whatever the thing you find easy, you can do it, but if you do it in steps, then the chances of error is less. Then after arranging them, we have to take the LCM, and LCM into the steps, like you can see. So we take the LCM of the first part and we write it, then we take the LCM of second part, third part, and just solve as we have solved the questions from A to C, and then just write the answer. So I would like if you just pause this video, solve this part, and match your answer. I hope you have understand this question. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.